Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and in today's RVing for Beginners video, I'm talking about how to empty RV holding tanks. One of the tasks new RVers dread the most is dumping the gray and black holding tanks. However, there's nothing to be worried about. Emptying the RV's tanks is a pretty easy process, and you'll get used to it in no time. Simply follow the following instructions to make sure your first few dumping experiences go smoothly. How to dump RV holding tanks. Start by putting on gloves. While you will not be touching any waste, you will be handling hoses that contain waste, so it's best to cover your skin to prevent any nasty incidents. Then, hook up your hose. Connect your sewer hose to the RV drain and the dump station. You will need an elbow connector to ensure the wastewater does not spill while dumping. I also recommend connecting a gate or reverse flush valve with a clear section to the RV end of the sewer hose. This clear tube will allow you to confirm that the tank has been properly cleaned. Next, empty the black tank. Pull the valve for your black tank and let the water run out until you no longer hear or see anything flowing. Then close the black tank. Then pull the valve on your gray tank and let it empty until you no longer hear or see anything flowing. Then close the gray tank. Repeat if you have a second gray tank. Now your tanks have been dumped, but you are not finished. You still need to flush the black tank. Connect a garden hose, not your drinking water hose, from a water source, like the city water connection at your campsite, to the black tank flush valve on your RV. Open the black tank valve and turn on the water to full pressure. Let the water run until the water flowing out is clear and free of any paper. Finally, treat the tanks. Place a holding tank treatment tab in your toilet bowl and flush along with a full bowl of water. Skip this step if the RV is going into storage and you want a dry tank. As you can see, dumping the tanks is pretty easy, but there are a few additional best practices to follow to ensure your tanks stay clean. First, always start with water. Never use the bathroom in your RV when the black tank is empty. Before using an empty tank, fill the toilet up with water and flush it down several times so water covers the bottom of the tank. Don't dump the tank until it's at least 3/4 full. If you need to dump before the tank is filled, you can flush water into the toilet to fill it up. If there's not enough water in the tank, it won't drain properly. More water is always better. When using an RV toilet, more water is better. Fill the bowl up halfway with water before using the bathroom, and after using the bathroom, flush the toilet for at least an additional 10 to 15 seconds to ensure you have more water than solid waste in your tank. Use the right toilet paper. Only human waste and septic-safe toilet paper should go into your toilet. Many stores sell special RV toilet paper, but any one-ply, septic-safe toilet paper that easily dissolves in water should be RV safe. We use the Scott 1000 brand. Always empty the black tank first. Draining the gray tank last uses the water in the gray tank to rinse the drain lines and sewer hose. Thanks for watching and happy camping.